In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an auto reply on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From Instagram's homepage, click on your profile icon at bottom right corner. There is one thing: to create an auto reply on Instagram, you must have a professional Instagram account. If this kind of professional dashboard is showing on your profile page, it means you have a professional account. Otherwise, you have to switch your account type to professional. Now click on these three lines and from here scroll to how others can interact with you. Then click on messages and story replies, and from here click on message request. Now toggle on allow access to messages. Then for who can read your message request, select everyone. After this, close Instagram app and open up Google Play Store, and from here go to the search tab and search for Meta Business Suite and click on it. Click on install. After installing, click on open. Now click on others login option, and from here click on login with Instagram and choose the account you want to log in with. After this, click on get started. Now from bottom right corner click on tools. Now click on setting, and from Instagram settings click on automations. Now click on try it beside instant reply, and from here toggle on Instagram. Then click on this pencil icon and remove this message and type your own message like thanks for reaching out. I will reply as soon as I can. Talk soon. Then click on save at top right corner. Then from bottom click on save. If anyone sends you message on Instagram, they will receive your instant reply automatically. So that's how you can create an auto reply on Instagram in just few easy steps.